What's up everyone, it's been a minute, but welcome back to my channel. You know I love it when you're here, and if you're joining for the first time, go ahead and subscribe down below, click that notification bell and select all so you can be notified of all the videos when I post them. Now today I'm going to be showing you 5 easy steps to any skincare routine, any facial. These steps are crucial. Some persons tend to add to it, but these 5 steps are crucial in any type of routine related to your skin or your facial care. So if you want to see this, just go ahead and keep on watching. The first step in any facial or skincare routine is always cleansing. Whether you use a cleanser solution or a soap, the purpose of the step is to get rid of dirt and impurities that have built up on the skin. The type of cleanser you choose to use is completely up to you, your skin type, your skin concerns, and your personal preferences. I personally prefer to use a cleansing solution over a bar soap. The bar soaps tend to be very harsh, and as such they dry out the skin and the oils in the skin a whole lot more. But like I said, it's completely up to your personal preference, your skin concerns, and your skin needs. This cleanser that I'm using at the moment, it does not foam up a whole lot, but it does get the job done. And I tend to follow the 60-second rule, and that's where I massage the product into my skin for 60 seconds and allow it to penetrate my skin so that it can get the job done. The second step is to exfoliate. Again, there are varying types of exfoliants for different skin types and needs. It is important to note, however, that not all exfoliants are meant to use on a daily basis. You have to read the instructions carefully. Most times you will see daily or every 2 to 3 days you have to read, because you don't want to damage your skin and create microscopic tears in the surface of your skin. Exfoliants are used to basically get rid of dead skin cells and to just create a smoothness on the surface of your skin, give you a fresh appearance, and just help to regenerate new growth of skin. I personally prefer to use a chemical exfoliant, but the ones that I'm seeing readily on the shelves when I go into the beauty supply stores, the pharmacies, etc. are the physical exfoliant. When I do purchase a physical exfoliant, I tend to go for something that is very gentle on the skin, that's not going to cause any microscopic tears or damage to my skin, and then I'm going to have to go through a whole heating process. I massage this into my skin very gently, and if you do not see how often to apply this, I would recommend trying once per week, see how it goes, and maybe up to 2 times per week. The third step in our basic skincare routine is masking. Masks are optional but are very beneficial to the skin, and they are endless possibilities when it comes to masks in terms of what to buy and how to use, etc. But you can go as far as making your own mask at home if you know the whats and hows. But masks are basically geared towards your personal concerns, what you want for your skin, hydration, moisturization, evening out the skin, the glowy appearance, etc. And to be honest, comfort. So like I said, it adds that element to your skincare routine, but it is indeed optional. So the mask I'm using now is a DIY mask that I prepared myself. I leave a link to a similar mask that I made on my channel, so you can go ahead and check that out. The fourth step in our basic skincare routine is toning. Toners again is optional but very beneficial to the skin. And like I also mentioned for the previous products, you have varying types. It's the same thing for toners. You have varying types of toners for different purposes, for different skin concerns, different problems, etc. But for a basic toner is generally used to balance the pH. More often than not, it is used to balance the pH of the skin so that you can get it back to the original pH that was thrown off from your exfoliants and your cleansers, etc. It's also sometimes used to prepare your skin for the next product that you're going to put on top of it and allow it to absorb into the skin more readily so you can get a better outcome of the product that you're going to put on top of it. But like I said, you have toners that are used to treat, for example, get rid of hyperpigmentations, balancing out the skin tones, etc. But more often than not, it's used to balance the pH and prepare your skin for the product that you're going to put on top of it. The final step in our basic routine is moisturizing. And I just want to mention that it doesn't matter your skin type, it doesn't matter if you're oily or dry, moisturizing is necessary. It is usually the last step in our routine, and you have varying moisturizers. You have numberless amounts of moisturizers for different concern, different skin type, different times of the day, etc. But the one you choose, like I said, is completely up to you, and it basically helps to lock everything into place. It creates a barrier that prevents moisture loss from your skin. It replenishes the skin from all the moisture that was taken from it in your cleansing and exfoliating process, and it just gives you that final touch after you have put your skin through all that vigorous activity. And it also is the time that you get to massage your skin and to just encourage lymphatic drainage, etc. If you have oily skin, it really doesn't matter because it's going to help to control the production of oil, because your skin is going to sense that you do have moisture on it, so it's not going to overproduce oils to help to moisturize the skin. And if you have dry skin, it will help to replenish the moisture that your skin is lacking. I just want to quickly add that if you're doing your routine in the daytime, a sunscreen is a must. It doesn't matter your complexion, you have to be protected from the sun. You can pick up a sunscreen that works perfect for you, or you can get a moisturizer that has adequate amount of SPF in it to protect your skin from the sun. And that's our easy, simple 5-step skincare routine. You can definitely add whatever you choose to if you're adding treatment, or if you have specific ingredient or product that you use for specific goals, you can definitely add it to this routine. But these are the basic steps, especially if you're diving into this whole skincare journey for the first time. These 5 steps are the basics that you would want to follow. And if you have any questions, you can definitely leave it in the comment section down below. Any concern, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below, guys. Click that notification bell and then select all so you can be notified of all the videos when I post them. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, I'm your girl Momo. Take care.